Welcome to the Free Financial Nomad channel. In this video, we'll be discussing how to set and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or planning for retirement, having clear financial goals is essential to your success. We'll cover everything from creating a budget to finding ways to increase your income. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Setting smart goals. The first step in setting and achieving your financial goals is to make sure they are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break down each of these components. Specific. Your financial goals should be clear and well-defined. For example, instead of saying I want to save money, a specific goal would be I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house. Measurable. Your financial goals should be quantifiable. This means you should be able to measure your progress and know when you've achieved your goal. For example, if your goal is to pay off debt, you should know the exact amount you owe and how much you need to pay each month to reach your goal. Achievable. Your financial goals should be realistic and attainable. While it's important to challenge yourself, setting goals that are impossible to achieve can lead to frustration and disappointment. Relevant. Your financial goals should be relevant to your overall life goals. For example, if you want to travel the world, it may not make sense to save for a down payment on a house. Time-bound. Your financial goals should have a deadline. This helps to create urgency and motivation to achieve your goals. For example, you might set a goal to pay off your credit card debt within the next 12 months. Tip 2. Creating a budget. Once you've set your financial goals, the next step is to create a budget. A budget is a plan for how you will spend and save your money each month. Here's how to create a budget. Calculate your monthly income. This includes your salary, any side hustles, and any other sources of income. Track your expenses. Keep track of all your expenses for a month. This will help you see where your money is going and where you can make cuts. Categorize your expenses. Divide your expenses into categories such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. Set spending limits. Determine how much you want to spend in each category based on your financial goals. Monitor your spending. Keep track of your spending each month to make sure you're sticking to your budget. Tip 3. Finding ways to increase your income. In addition to budgeting, finding ways to increase your income can help you reach your financial goals faster. Here are some ideas. Start a side hustle. Whether it's freelancing, selling products online, or providing a service, there are many ways to make money on the side. Negotiate a raise. If you have a full-time job, consider negotiating a raise or promotion. Invest in the stock market. Investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds can provide a source of passive income. Rent out your space. If you have a spare room or an extra parking spot, consider renting it out for extra cash. Tip 4. Staying motivated and accountable. Setting financial goals can be challenging, but staying motivated and accountable can help you achieve success. Here are some tips. Keep your goals visible. Write down your financial goals and post them somewhere you'll see them every day. Find an accountability partner. Share your goals with a friend or family member who can help keep you on track. Celebrate small victories. When you achieve a small milestone towards your goal, celebrate it. This will help keep you motivated. Stay flexible. It's okay to adjust your goals as your circumstances change. Life is unpredictable, so be willing to adapt your goals as needed. Review and adjust regularly. Review your progress towards your financial goals regularly, and make adjustments to your budget or strategy as needed. In this video, we covered everything you need to know to set and achieve your financial goals. Remember to set smart goals, create a budget, find ways to increase your income, and stay motivated and accountable. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to financial success in no time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel, Financial Nomad, for more tips and advice on managing your money.